For some, it's the love of that vintage sound. Others, the simplicity of it all. A relic that used to be tossed in the trash, instead being treasured.
It's got this beautiful kind of click, clack, clack, and it's just so wonderful to hear that.
Chris Edmondson runs an actual typewriter shop, what in the 21st century may seem surprising.
They're, in a way, industrial art.
He says business has never been better.
When we first started this, we would sort of be excited and happy to sell maybe one every couple weeks. Come in and pick up your typewriter.
But some weeks, he says he can now sell between 5 to 10 machines, with customers paying hundreds, even thousands of dollars for them.
This sort of stuff is vintage.
Edmondson bought his first typewriter as a hobby, but 5 years ago, quit his job in IT to sell and repair them full-time.